Hey guys, Carice back here from ThroughTheChicWay.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're watching it on YouTube, if you're watching it on the blog, it doesn't matter. I love you either way. So full disclosure, bear with me. I am sick as a dog. If you can hear it all up in my nose and my head is congested and my allergies are acting up and I have pink eye in both eyes like one of my 5 years old. But anyway, I had to get this video up because it's really important for me to share this information with you because, truth be told, I only have 3 days with the items that I got to make a decision to decide what I'm going to keep and decide what I'm going to send back. So, as we all know, this is a fashion and lifestyle blog. I'm always coming to you with my style tips and tricks, deals, how I shop on a budget, etc., etc. And the biggest question I get from a lot of you is, how do I know my style? How do I shop? How do I keep on top of trends? And how do I know what works for my body type? It's hard being mothers, being women on the go. We don't always have time to go into the stores and try on stuff in the fitting room for hours and hours at a time. If you have a special event coming up, like there are different scenarios where shopping, like I know a lot of women who hate shopping and it was like so hard for me to believe that. But I'm here today partnering with Fashom. And they're an app that sends clothes directly to you based on your style profile that you put into their app. Let me show you how the app works. I got my phone here. So when you open the app, it looks like this. These are the items that were chosen for me based on my style profile. Now, they're actually your size and different things. What do you prefer? Would you prefer to have a male or a female style you? There's like a whole bunch of questions that you go through on the questionnaire. Just like any subscription box, you have to fill out like the profile so that they can get to know you. In a couple days, you'll have some options in your inbox. Now, my stylist reached out to me via Instagram, which I thought was very nice. She went on my page and she liked pictures from 15, 16 weeks ago. Like she really went through my page to see my style so she can kind of get an idea of what I, like to wear. And she noticed from my Instagram page that I like pattern, I like color, I like texture, and she sent me a bunch of stuff. So I'm going to unbox it here with you today. I didn't open the box. I didn't open the package, I opened the box, and I didn't look at the clothes, even though I can tell what the clothes are from the app, but I'm going to show you like in a little unboxing. So this is the box, this is their logo, Fashom, and they're very body positive. It says to style your body with love, which I feel is very important. Society puts a lot of pressure on women to look a certain way, especially after you have kids. The snapback thing is so real, but they're telling you to style your body with love, and I thought that was like a really cute catchphrase, very body positive, and I like that about them. It's owned by a female. Hello, support your women. So when you open the box, you have a return bag because of the items that you are sent. I think you get to pick 5 or 6 things, and then you have 3 days. So I have 3 days to decide which of these things I'm about to show you that I'm going to keep and which I'm going to send back. Now when you open up, you get like a little letter personalized to you. Hey Carice, thanks for giving us a chance to style you. It was amazing to spend time picking out these items for you. I can't wait to see them on you. Please note that our clothing comes brandless with no tags, and there's a reason for it. We get these pieces directly from the manufacturers or small businesses, hence keeping the costs low. They are quality tested and brand new items. One of the items that you picked was not in your size, so sorry that we couldn't get that out to you. So, I picked, these are the items that she styled for me, and I picked this jungle dress, this black and white mixed print thing here, and this 2-piece striped mixed print thing here, and these earrings. I didn't go for this because honestly it's just like a plain maxi dress. It doesn't speak to me the way these 3 spoke to me. I love this print. The Monstera leaf is very big in like home decor. So that's the dress that they were talking about, that they couldn't get it in my size, but I believe these are the items are in my box. So let's see what they look like. And yeah, let's see. So here's what I got. Like I said, I didn't open it. Comes like this. Oh, I did get that dress. I don't even know what I got. So the first thing is a little black pouch. Let's see what's inside there. It's obviously the jewelry, which you guys know. I love my accessories. Oh my god, this is so nice. It's like a tortoise print. You guys see that? That like speaks to me. I love that for sure. I wish they were bigger, but hey, that's cool. The next thing, okay, so they did send me the maxi dress, which is fine. I probably won't wear this, so I'll probably send this back. It's just like a long maxi dress. It's kind of see-through, so you have to wear something under. It goes down to the floor, and then it comes with a belt to cinch your waist, which I'm always cinching my waist because I think it makes you look more shapely, and it gives something like this that's very shapeless, it gives it a shape with the belt. But I'll try it on, but I probably won't keep it. This is the striped top. It has like a necktie to tie right there. I love this. The next thing was the skirt to contrast with the striped top. It has buttons on the side and a belt at the waist. It's like a midi length, and I feel like pattern on pattern. So cute. So those are the items that I got. I have 3 days to decide what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to send back. And if you want to try out the Fashom app, I have a 20% discount code for you. You get 20% off at all the things that you decide to keep from your box. So check it out. I'm going to try these items on and put the pictures on the blog, so stay tuned for that. And we'll see how I style these items. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.